boys and girls, welcome to Gruvgear Guitar. What a cool collab here with BigXthaPlug and Post Malone. They do Cold, okay? So we have this cool melody, and that is combined with some cool strumming as well. Not too hard, okay? So we'll go into it. First setup, we have a K-ball high up on 6. That is because we want to match the sound, okay? That's the first thing, but we also have easy chords. That is the most important thing here, to have the easiest scenario possible to handle the song. So that's the reason Cape on 6, the perfect match there. So let's go into the chords. We're gonna start with the F major 7. Okay, so that goes 3rd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. We have C next. So that will be 3rd A, 2nd D, open G, 1st B, and open E. D minor, open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, 1st E. And finally we have the A minor, and that goes open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. Alright, so we have 4 chords. They come in different order depending on verse play and chorus play, and that is what I'm going to show you now. I'm not going to show you how many times of everything. I'm going to give you the verse play and the chorus play, and you got to work that thing out for yourself. So the verse play and pre-chorus is played with that melody. You can also do it with strumming, but I'm going to show you the melody first. And the chord progression there will be D minor, F major, C, and A minor, and C. Okay, so it goes like this for D minor. I hold the chord as it is here. You don't have to necessarily, but I do it because I want to be ready with the strumming. So therefore I'm kind of used to hold the chord. So you do it in your way. I'm going to give you the notes. So open D, then first high E, then back to open D, then first high E to open high E. And I do pull off there. So I pick the first E, and then I pull off with that finger, my index finger. And when we do these notes here, the bass notes, like in this case the D, I take them singularly, like just that bass note. But when I play the high notes, I also incorporate kind of the B string here as a supportive note. That's also one reason why I want to hold the full chord as it is, because that will be a perfect kind of support there to have strings, notes from the actual chord, because they're obviously perfect for each other. They're a chord. So anyway, so that's the reason why I also have a full chord. You can pick the B string to give more depth to that melody you're playing. So I'm not playing just, you can, but I'm not doing that. I'm not playing just a single note on high E. I'm playing supported with the B string, different notes, different sound there. Okay, so enough of chit chat. There you have the notes, the important notes for this melody for D minor. Now over to F major 7. Now I definitely hold the full chord, and it goes like this. Okay, so you play the 3rd fret D string, then open G to 2nd G, and in that way I'm playing the hammer-on technique. So I play the open G, and then I hammer on the 2nd G with that finger, my mid finger. Then you continue with 1st B, then back to 2nd G, and 3rd D. Okay, now into the C part. You're gonna play it like this. So 3rd fret A string is the bass note, then 1st B, and again I have the supportive note of open G from the actual chord, the C chord, so I play that open G as well, but the important thing here is to get the 1st B. So I play that 2 times, so 3rd A, 1st B, 3rd A, 1st B, so like this. Okay, and then you go into the A minor part. And that's it. So you play just the open A, and then the 2nd G. Then back to C and play this. So that is 3rd fret A string, and then open D to 2nd D, and I play like a hammer-on technique again. So open D is what I pick, and then I hammer on the 2nd D. And that's the final note of that melody. Sweet one. Now I'm going to take you through this slowly, chord by chord, so you understand what's going on. Let's do it. Sounds nice. All right, that's the melody. And then we're gonna come into the strumming here. I'm gonna give you first the chords for the chorus, and that's the same chorus play as the bridge and also the outro parts. Okay, that chorus happens the first time at 1 minute and 20 seconds in, so understand what we are playing here. But I'm so cold, that's where we are in the lyrics. Okay, so the chord progression now for chorus slash bridge slash outro will be F major, C, D minor, and A minor. This is a little bit tricky because the timing here is important. Yeah, I'm gonna give you the full strumming pattern, and it covers 2 chords. So we have part 1 for F major and part 2 for C. It sounds like this. So 2 rounds of that chord progression I played for you. So to go into the first transition here for F major to C, you're gonna hold the F major like this, and then you play down, down, up, clap, up, down. So down, down, up, clap, up, down. That is part 1. So down, down, up, clap, up, down. And then you immediately go to C, because you're gonna start with 1 up there, a short pause, and then comes up, clap, up, down, up. In one motion, so to speak. So up, down, clap, up, down, up. All in one. So that is part 2. First an up. Right after this part 1, short pause, and then up, clap, up, down, up. So slowly, part 1 and part 2 goes like this. In tempo. And then you apply the same principle for the next 2 chords, D minor, played in the same way as F major, part 1. And A minor in the same way as C, part 2, like this. And 1 full chord progression around goes. Again, F, C, D, And the sweet thing here is you will take this same chord progression, strumming pattern, and apply that on the verse play chord progression, okay? So that means we had the chords of D minor, F major, C, A minor, and C. So you're gonna start with D minor, play part 1, the down, down, up, clap, up, down. Then you switch to F major and play part 2, up, down, up, clap, up, down, up. Then you go to C and play part 1, down, down, up, clap, up, down, up. Up, down. And then you go to A minor. And the A minor and C in the end there, they split on that part 2. So A minor takes up, down, up, clap. That's the A minor part. And C takes the final up, down, up. So that means D minor, part 1, F major, part 2, C, part 1, A minor, first half of part 2, up, down, up, clap, and C, up, down, up. I'm going to take you through this slowly so you understand what's going on, and then we're going to speed up in a standard tempo. Let's go. there you have it, guys. Different techniques and ways of playing this sweet song here called Cold. And yeah, hope you enjoyed, guys. A cool song I'm gonna give to you, and I hope you're gonna give me something back. Okay, at least one comment maybe, or a thumb up would be nice. So thank you so much for your support, and see you next time. Play tuned.